Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So through graph, it is very simple. We need to have little analytical skill. It will help you for even mathematics, physics, chemistry. That graphical try to analyze. It will help you a lot. Question number 6. Which of the following figures correctly represent uniform motion of a moving object? Always try
Sir,
to see, please listen, always try to see correlation has been given between what to what. Here the correlation has been given between distance and time. Understood? Distance and time. So it says uniform motion. Uniform motion, what is the definition of uniform motion?
sir, when a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time.
Very good. So uniform motion means equal distance in equal time. That's all. It is the simplest definition. Now, if you try to plot here, let's keep a block. We will be trying to take 10 seconds. Whatever it may be, 10 seconds once we try to plot. So here what happens, this distance gap is uniform. But in this situation, what happens? If you try to maintain this 10 seconds, this gap may not be uniform actually. So somewhere non-uniformity you will be finding. And if you take here and here, what happens? This uniformity is further reduced. So students, I think you have understood. In this case, is it uniform?
No, sir.
Here as well, if you see, it is non-uniform. Understood?
Sir.
Here what happens? Time is passing, but a distance is not moving.
It is at rest.
Yeah, it is at rest. So this situation is rest.
Sir,
This
but in
situation,
previous,
अतएव प्रीवियस में क्या था ना, प्रीवियस में डिस्टेंस नहीं था, स्पीड था. तो स्पीड वाज फिक्स्ड. Here distance is not changing. Their speed was fixed, means speed was uniform. Here also non-uniform. Here it is uniform. Clear for you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So in a speed time graph, if the speed is equal, like constant, then it is uniform. But in distance time graph, if the distance is equal, the thing is the motion is uniform.
Why so much confusion, Piyush?
Because sir, like in speed time graph, if the
Wait. If this is time, and if I say this is a distance, my object is, time is passing, but object is not moving. Distance is 10 meter, means always it is at 10 meter only. Now, for example, you are here, you are observer, and this is the object. From you, this distance is say 10 meter. Even after 1 year also, this distance is not changing. So what you can say? The object is at rest or motion?
it is a case.
So this is called rest. Now, case number 2. Here it is, speed has been given. Speed is how much? 10 meter per second. So every time it is moving with how much? 10 meter per second. Again you are here, Babu, right? This object is there. It had started moving with 10 meter per second. So what will happen? This object will be here only, or it will be changing every time?
Changing every time.
Now suppose if I say Beginning, what happens? This was at 10 meter. After 1 second, how much it will happen?
20
20
meters.
meter. After 1 more second, 30 meter. Understood? So it is uniform motion. This is called uniform motion. Equal distance and equal time. Understood, Piyush? Piyush? Okay. Question number 7. Anyone is having doubt further?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Question number 7. In which of the following case of the motion, the distance moved and the magnitude of displacement are equal? So distance and displacement both are equal, it is telling. One
Sir,
is
option A.
So option A.
Option A.
Option A.
the car is moving on a straight road. Yes, a straight road, you are aware, like in a straight motion, your distance and displacement remains always same. The car is moving in a circular path. Circular path, what happens? Always it is changing. So once it is a circular path, apart from a straight path, any path you are choosing, then distance and displacement will not be same. So your option should be option A only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question 8.
Sir, option B.
Which one of the following graphs shows the object to be at stationary?
B.
B.
Option
I
B.
think by now you all are smart, so you can be able
Sir,
to.
option B.
So means they are what we say customer care. They will get.
So now here distance is changing with every time. So this is not stationary, right? It is distance changing means moving. Time is passing, but distance is not changing. So this is velocity. Velocity is uniform. This is called uniform motion. This
Sir, I
is
think it's
uniformly
constant velocity, right?
constant velocity. This is uniformly accelerated. What we
Yes,
can say, this is uniform motion. This is uniformly accelerated. This is at rest. Is it clear, Akshit? Akshit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 9. A worker covers a distance of 40 km his house to his place of work and 10 km back towards his house back. Then the displacement covered by the worker in the whole trip is how much? You all please
C.
reply me. You all please reply me privately. Privately, please reply. Let me check how many of you are able to reply correctly.
Can you repeat the question?
Question 9, no need to repeat.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. So, yeah, through this small question answer, I can be able to understand who is making mistakes. But everyone must reply. Nobody should be silent. No silent observer. You have to participate. If you are not aware, write IDK. वो डिके वाला नहीं लिखना है कि डिके हो जा नहीं, IDK. Yes, please reply privately. Okay, so let me check for those which I wanted to see. Arush Tandon, I will check your reply. Arush T, where? Okay, so Arush, you have made mistakes. Even though those who have made mistakes, no problem. Please understand how to solve. What it says, suppose this is my point A. From this point A, one worker started and covered a distance of 40 km from his house to his place to the work. This is the place B. How much distance? 40 km. and 10 kilometer towards his house back. A worker covers a distance of 40 kilometer from his house to his place of work and 10 kilometer towards his house back. Towards his house back means, can we say towards, this is the towards his house back.
Yes, sir.
It says then displacement covered by the worker in this whole trip. So starting position is what? Can we say this is the starting point? Which is final point? Can we say this is the final point? So displacement is what? Tell me, children.
40 minus
40
10.
minus
30.
30.
30 kilometers.
40 minus 10, 30.
This is called displacement. AC is how much?
So 30.
10.
40 minus 10.
Is it clear for you all, those who have made mistakes?
Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir, they are asking the displacement covered, right? The displacement, 30 kilometers is a displacement yet to be covered.
Yet to be covered, nahi. Displacement is how much? That is the displacement, no? Starting and final position. He is not going to cover again.
Okay, sir.
Chaliye. You all children, please reply me in the same question. I'm now just changing the question. In whole trip, those who have made mistake, is it clear for you all? Arush?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone who has not understood?
Sir, could you explain again?
Who is asking?
Sir, Arush.
Arush. Displacement, have you understood definition, Babu? Displacement is nothing but shortest path length between starting and final.
Yes, sir.
Through this picture, what you have understood? It had gone from A to B and then back to from B to C. So starting is what? A. Final is what? C. So between A and C, that is called displacement.
Yes, sir.
So that displacement is how much? AC distance is how much? AC will be, this is your total 40, from A to B was 40, right?
Yes, sir.
And from here to here it was 10. तो 40 में से कट करेंगे, यहाँ से यहाँ इसको निकाल देंगे, इसका मुंडी यहाँ से हटा दो. So you'll be left over how much? 40 minus 10, 30. Understood, Arush?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Why you are having so much shyness? You have to ask boldly, sir, I could not understand. Please explain once again.
Yes, sir. Okay.
During this whole trip, find distance. Everyone please reply. Find distance covered.
Where, sir? So which question?
Same question. I have
Same.
the arrow mark also. No? Please reply, everyone. Superb, actually. So fast you all are in replying. Fastest answer you wanted to know who had replied? Mohit. And you are right, Mohit. Piyush, you are right. Ananya, right. Krishna, Chaitanya, wrong. Sahil, right.
Sir, can you check my second answer?
Tayyaba, right. Toshnika, why you have replied to everyone? I will not tell comment on you. Ashini, right. Pranav, right. Kavya, right. Acha, Sujay had replied from option itself. Okay, Sujay, you are right. Shreyan, you are right. Aditya, right. Devashri, right. Harini, right. I think those who are wrong, let me tell only those who are wrong. Okay, so you all are right actually. Anyone had made mistakes, so you please look at, somebody had replied 80 kilometer. It is not 80 kilometer. Please understand, distance is nothing but total path length. How much is the total path length? So distance will be how much, Babu?
Sir, 50.
AB plus BC, right?
Yes, sir.
It had gone to AB, then returned back to the BC. That is nothing but 40 plus 10. Very good. So you people are able to do, really I am so happy. Question number 10. Rate of change of displacement is called what?
Velocity.
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 Very good.
Sir, this question got repeated, sir, I think.
No, it is not repeated.
Starts
Rate,
repeating in the 12th question, sir.
rate of change of displacement, do not get confused. Somebody may think it is a speed, somebody may get confused with velocity. If it is a displacement, then velocity. If it is distance, please understand. If distance is changing, then it is called speed. What is called? Speed. If displacement is changing, then it is called, what it is called? Velocity. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Acceleration is a vector quantity. Is it true? Yes, of course, acceleration is a vector quantity, which indicates that its value is always negative,
Positive and 0.
is always positive,
Positive, negative, 0.
is 0, can be positive, negative, and 0. What should be your answer?
Sir, D.
D. So there can be retardation, which is negative acceleration.
Acceleration is positive, retardation negative, and 0 is
See, vector quantity is nothing but which represents a direction as well as magnitude. What is vector? Which has magnitude
direction.
as well as direction.
Magnitude.
Now, because of this magnitude and direction, what happens? Suppose you say this object is going in this direction with 10 meter per second. And
So what
another
is
object-
magnitude?
Magnitude numerical value, 10 meter we are telling, no? And the another object which is coming in the reverse direction, opposite direction, which is say 10 meter per second. So for this object A, we can say VA is how much? Plus 10I. I cap is nothing but which is having direction in x-axis. VB is velocity of B, we can say minus 10 I cap. Meaning is it could be in opposite direction. So plus and minus means, plus it says means going in particular direction, minus means opposite direction. So vector quantity means it can be positive, it can be negative, and 0 means where the object is not at all accelerated. So can be positive, can be negative, or 0. Question number 12. A car goes from a town A to another town B with a speed. Please reply me. Anyone is having doubt, the average speed of the car during the complete journey is how much?
Sir, I have doubt in this one.
Yeah, please reply everyone.
Sir, please consider my second answer.
Okay, somebody has replied IDK as well, no problem. So we will try to understand how to solve this. Average speed, what is the formula for average speed?
Total distance by total
Total
time.
distance covered by total
The total
time
distance
taken.
by total time.
Very good. Total distance by total time. Now please understand from A to B, this is say town A, this is town B. So distance is not going to change. Car goes from town A to another town B with a speed of 40. While going, it had gone through 40 km per hour. And return back to town A with speed of, while returning back, it has taken 60 km per hour. Distance remains same, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
but time will be changing. So in first case, can we find time is how much from A to B? Let distance is x. So time will be how much?
40 by 8.
So we can say time 1, t1 while going. T1 is how much?
X by 40.
Very good. Distance by speed, x by 40. And T2 will be how much, Babu? T2 is returning. Say T1 is for going, T2 is for returning. T2 will be how much?
X by
Same.
60.
X by 60.
X by 60. Very good. So total distance we got 2x. Total time is how much? T1 plus T2. X by 40 plus x by 60 is nothing but 2x by, you take LCM. LCM will be how much?
48. 48.
No, 120, I think. Yes.
2x into 120 by 5x. X got cancelled.
So
If
how
you
did
solve
we
how
write
much?
2x?
48 kilometer per hour. Did you do like just 40 plus 60 divided by 2?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please
I
understand
did.
the concept and solve it.
The 13th one is
Is it clear
B.
for everyone for question number 12?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Okay. A rate of change of displacement with time is called what?
Velocity.
Velocity,
With
sir.
time they told, sir. With time they told.
Sir,
Huh.
the rate of change of displacement is also called velocity, and displacement with time is also called velocity.
हाँ वही है रेट जब लगा दिए तो उसमें टाइम हो जाता है टाइम से डिवाइड कर देते हैं विथ टाइम को भूल जाओ
Okay.